In this video, we've picked 7 of the best lawn watering systems based on what different homeowners actually need, whether it's saving water, covering large yards, or just making daily lawn care easier. With so many options out there, from manual hoses to fully automated sprinkler systems, it can be hard to know what's worth using. That's why we focused on systems that are reliable, efficient, and suited for different lawn sizes, climates, and maintenance styles. Number 7, we have the soaker hose system. This is one of the simplest ways to water your lawn or garden efficiently. The hose is designed to leak water slowly through its porous surface, allowing the moisture to soak directly into the soil. It's a low-pressure, water-saving system that works well for narrow lawns, garden edges, or newly seeded areas. You just lay it out, connect it to your hose, and let it do the work. If you're just starting with lawn irrigation and want something easy to manage with minimal runoff, this is a great entry point. But if you want a bit more control without installing a full system, there's another step up. At number 6 is the hose end sprinkler with a smart timer. This setup combines a standard lawn sprinkler with a smart water timer that connects at the tap. It turns a basic hose sprinkler into a semi-automated watering system. You can schedule watering times, adjust for rainfall, and in many cases control everything from your phone. This is ideal for medium lawns, or if you're trying to stick to a watering routine without having to remember it every day. It's an affordable way to bring automation into your lawn care without digging or wiring anything. But if you're ready for something more permanent, especially for larger lawns. Number 5, we recommend an in-ground pop-up sprinkler system. This is the kind of system you see in professionally maintained lawns. Sprinkler heads are buried underground and only pop up when in use. They're connected by pipes and controlled through a central irrigation timer. This system provides even lawn coverage and lets you divide the lawn into zones for more precise control. It's great if you want your yard to stay tidy with no visible hoses or hardware. While it takes a bit of planning to install, it's one of the most reliable long-term watering solutions for residential irrigation. Now, if you're working with a big open lawn and want a simpler way to reach every corner, at number 4, take a look at the traveling sprinkler. This is a self-propelled sprinkler that rolls across your lawn, following the path of your garden hose. It uses water pressure to move and sprays as it goes, covering large areas without manual repositioning. It's ideal for homeowners with wide, flat lawns who want full coverage but don't want to install in-ground pipes. It also saves time since you don't need to move the sprinkler yourself every 20 minutes. If mobility and range are what you need, this is a surprisingly effective system. But for those who prefer something easy to set up and use anywhere on demand. At number 3, we suggest the rotary sprinkler with adjustable arms. This is a simple but versatile lawn sprinkler that spins to create a circular spray pattern. Many models allow you to adjust spray angles and distance so you can cover just the area you need. These sprinklers work well on small to medium lawns and are especially useful if your yard has curves or uneven patches. No installation, no timer required. Just place it, connect the hose, and you're set. It's a flexible solution if you prefer to move your watering around throughout the week. But if your focus is on precision and saving water, especially in dry climates, at number 2 is the drip irrigation system. While it's usually seen in gardens, drip irrigation can be a smart choice for lawn edges, narrow turf areas, or specific planting zones. It delivers water directly to plant roots using a network of tubes and emitters, which helps avoid waste through evaporation or runoff. It's a highly efficient way to water and works well for lawns that don't need full overhead coverage. If you're dealing with high water costs or local watering restrictions, drip irrigation can keep your grass healthy without overdoing it. And if you're looking for the most advanced system available today, at number 1, we recommend the Smart In-Ground Sprinkler System. This is a full in-ground sprinkler setup, connected to a smart controller that manages your watering schedule based on weather conditions, soil moisture, and even sun exposure. The Irrigation controller connects to your Wi-Fi and adjusts in real time, so you're not wasting water during rain or cool days. Some systems also support zone-based control, allowing you to customize how much water different parts of your lawn receive. It's the most hands-free and efficient system for long-term lawn care, ideal for homeowners who want precision, control, and results. That wraps up our list of the 7 best lawn watering systems. Whether you're looking for something low-maintenance, high-tech, or budget-friendly, there's a system here that can help you take better care of your lawn without wasting time or water. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and let us know in the comments which system fits your yard best, or if you're using something else that works well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.